If you're new to Cloudways and wondering how their pricing works, let me break it down simply for you. Cloudways uses a pay as you go model based on the cloud provider and server resources you choose. This means you only pay for what you see: CPU power, RAM, and storage, and there are no hidden fees or long term contracts. You start by selecting a cloud provider like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or Google Cloud. Each has different pricing tiers depending on the server size and performance. For example, DigitalOcean plans start as low as around $12 per month for a basic server, while higher end servers cost more. With Cloudways, billing is hourly or monthly, so you can scale your server up or down anytime based on your website's needs. The flexibility is perfect if your traffic varies or if you are just starting out. One great thing is Cloudways includes a free features like SSL certificates, daily backups, and 24/7 support in all plans, so you don't have to pay extra for those essentials. Keep in mind, Cloudways doesn't offer traditional shared hosting. It's managed cloud hosting, which means you get better performance but at a slightly higher price compared to cheap shared hosts. In summary, Cloudways pricing is straightforward, flexible, and based on the resources you use, making it ideal for growing websites. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the latest Cloudway deals.